open your mouth and not doing anything.
Oh, you're really clever. Let's get a bit more bounce in it now.
Yeah.
It used to be really tightly coiled when we first got
You
it.
almost need to take him up a bit more. Oh!
Yeah, because he dunks. Yes. Clever boy. Had to get it on camera, didn't we? Can you see yourself? You're like your mother. As soon as the camera turns on, you know where it is. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Hey! Bebo! Bebo! There's an egg. Bebo! We need to get you a mirror. Oh, I know where one is actually.
No.